Now, something else I noticed on the test was that we weren't doing super well in what I call evaluating functions. It doesn't quite look this way, but I want to practice plugging numbers into different equations and getting the correct number out. So this problem, we've got h of x right here is equal to the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 2. And it says to find h of 3. That means we're going to plug 3 in for our x. Okay? So h of 3 is going to be the same thing as absolute value of 3 plus 1 minus 2. I'm going to make that a 1. Okay? Now when it comes to absolute value, we've talked about it a little bit this year. First thing you want to do is figure out the inside. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then absolute value just is a distance, so it's always positive, so it'll just stay positive 4. And then we subtract 2 and we get, just put equal signs here, you get positive 2. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. So this time we're putting a negative 7 in for our x because it's w of x. So w of negative 7 would be a negative, so there's already a negative right in front of negative 7. So a lot of people forget to put the negative right here in and then do parentheses after that. So that actually means we get a positive 7 plus 4. This is a very common mistake. This happened a lot on the test, in fact. 7 plus 4 is 11, and that would be the answer. All right, let's do the next one. So we are going to this time put a negative 2 in for x. So once again, g of negative 2 would be a negative of a negative 2, because you got to remember the negative in front as well, and then plus 3. So just leaving that the same. So a negative of a negative is a positive, so positive 2 plus 3, which is 5. Don't worry, we'll practice that again. So this next one, we're going to put 0 in for our x. So f of 0 is equal to 2 times the absolute value of 0 minus 1 plus 4. Okay, remember you do the inside first. So 0 minus 1 is negative 1. And then you take the absolute value. So the absolute value of a negative number is a positive. So this is a positive 1. So 2 times 1 plus 4. Then you do multiplication. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And that is your answer. All right, let's do another one. So this time we're doing negative 3 in for x. Just watch out, there's a negative in front. I'm purposely making you guys do a lot of these. So there's a negative of negative 3 minus 5. That's the same as a positive 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And then one more. We're going to put negative 7 in for x. So f of negative 7 would be a negative absolute value of negative 7 minus 2. So the negative stays in front. So the absolute value of negative 7, I'm going to change that actually. So the absolute value of negative 7 is a positive 7. But notice there's a negative in front, so this is really negative 7 minus 2, which is negative 9. And that is it.